our OE's been cancelled. We were thinking about a career in tourism, but now we're not sure.
Well, there's only one way to find out. We have to get out there and see it for ourselves. Man, we live in the best place on earth. We don't need a big OE, we need a big AE. Aotearoa experience. How does that sound?
Sounds amazing.
Cool, I'll see you guys then.
Wow, what an insane morning this was.
This is why people come here. Check it out, the eighth wonder of the world.
Look at this place, it's beautiful. And it only gets better. We have a boat to catch.
Kia ora guys, looks like you guys got pretty wet under the waterfall today.
You're telling me.
You had a good time out there today?
Amazing. This place is unreal. It's like being in a painting.
Now's definitely the best time for Kiwis to check out their own backyard. Oh, actually, you should check it out from up in the air.
Alright, you guys comfortable?
Yeah.
Great, ready to go?
Yes.
Alright, enjoy the flight. How amazing is this place, guys? It's a real honour to be able to call this area my office. Once the borders are back open again, people will be able to flood back in and see how amazing this place really is.
Yeah man, look at these glaciers. They look awesome.
It's like no other place in the world, isn't it?
Well guys, there we have it. We've come to the end of our epic adventure, and truly epic it was.
This landscape is unlike anything else, and that's why people come here.
Today was one of the most amazing days of my life, and I live here, so obviously overseas people are dying to get here.
Yeah man, we have a bright future ahead of us and I can't wait to be a part of it.
Be in to win your own AE at qrc.ac.nz.